Hello everyone, my name is Viswaas. I would like to welcome you all to another video of my channel, Dubai Real Estate Nerd. Thank you so very much everyone for the overwhelming response on my previous videos. I'm very happy with the way my videos have been performing. So this video basically is based upon a wonderful investment option that is located very close to Dubai South and Jafza region, a location that is very close to Palm Jebel Ali, an excellent investment option for an apartment. If you are an investor, this is a hidden gem by a great developer. And the unfortunate part is not a lot of people are speaking or talking about it. The discussion recently has been more towards townhouses, but I thought that I should give you a apartment option as well, wherein the inventory is available right now. Very good units are available as of today. So let's start with the presentation and let me give you a brief analysis of how this project looks like and why this is a wonderful project for me. For today, the discussion will be about this project called as Eleve or Eleve by Deyaar Developments PJSC. I'll be giving you a brief about this developer as well very soon. Okay, so now the question arises why Eleve by Deyaar is a hidden gem. Every month I'll be posting such underrated projects for which nobody talks about. No, you will hardly find any content over internet because these are very good, excellent projects upcoming that have humongous scope for development in the surroundings and for the project as well. There is a lot of things to be talked about, but surprisingly, not a lot of YouTubers focus upon it. So yes, I'll be bringing you such underrated projects as well, wherein there is excellent opportunity for first-time buyers. And if in case you would like to add a different kind of a future-proof property into your portfolio, this might be the one that you're looking for. Okay, so let's start with okay, first of all, I'll be giving you information about the developer. Okay, it's very important. Why? Because the full name of the developer is Deyaar Development PJSC. It's a public joint stock company. In short, the majority of this developer is owned by a government entity. Okay, it is owned by Dubai Islamic Bank, and very deep pockets, very timely construction, very safe in investment. See, in the end of the day, with any developer, what we see on the roads is advertisements. We see the hoardings, and we get inspired to think about it. You will not find even one hoarding of Deyaar anywhere. All you'll see is the buildings that are managed by them, because their property management is very famous, and they have already delivered more than 30 projects in Dubai. You'll see their projects in Business Bay, in Arjan. You'll see them around Silicon Oasis, IMPZ. They have a full community in IMPZ as well. There are certain standalone towers as well. So it's a very good developer that has performed well in the past, that has delivered its project on time as well, and is known to very fairly price their projects as well. Okay, it's for me, it's a very good developer, a top tier 2 developer. Tier 1 I can't say, because the scale of their turnover is not in comparison with developers like Emaar of the Dubai properties. Okay, so they have a very good reputation of completing projects on time, and their property management. If you go to any of their buildings that are 6 to 8 or maybe 10-year old, the buildings are in very good condition. So I really like this developer. It's very underrated, zero advertisements, and they still sell off most of their projects. Okay, so let's straight away go to the discussion about the look. So let me straight away take you to Google Earth. So this is my Eleve by Deyaar. This is absolutely on the Sheikh Zayed Road. So you could see that this Sheikh Zayed Road, it connects all the Emirates together. Okay, this is basically the lifeline of UAE. So this complete area, this is a part of the Dubai South. The discussion right now, since the launch or the announcement that came for the expansion of the Al Maktoum airport, things have gone crazy. And as I predicted, the MAC has fully sold out their community. Okay, there are units here and there. I can understand that cancellations might come, but it's gone, right? So there was one more announcement from EMAR for the community gone. The EOIs have been closed as of today. The allotment will be done around August. EMAR OSA. So, as I was discussing about an impact of all these news that come uh, on the investments or on the good real estate products, this is also one of a wonderful investment option. If I closely look upon the location, I see Jebel industrial area right next to me. There is Javza in front of me. On my left side, I also have Jebel industrial area 2. I have a huge port. I have top 11 busiest port in the world right in front of me. This JAFZA, it's Jebel Ali Free Zone Authority. This was established in 1985. This is one of the oldest free zones in the world. So I think there are more than 130,000 people employed as of today, more than 10,000 companies right in front of you. And the best part about this area is that there is a running metro station right in front of me. Please understand that this is not being planned 5 years, 8 years, 10 years down the line. This is an operational metro station. I can go there right now, and this is what 2 to 3 minutes walking distance away from me. Next to me are big shot offices. I have more than 100 Fortune 500 companies next to me, courtesy the announcement of the Al Maktoum Airport. More than 70 square kilometers will be developed. So we are expecting nothing less than 300 to 400,000 people to be working in Dubai South area. Please understand that the kind of population rise that we will see in the future in this area is going to be incredible and unprecedented. So regarding the location, I have in the future, it has been projected that in next 10 years, maybe the start of the next decade, we will have more than 35% of the GDP of entire Dubai coming up from this area. Okay, we are already getting more than 5% GDP from Jafza for Dubai. So you can imagine the kind of money that is coming and going out of this areas. Okay. So it's approximately about 500 billion dirhams worth of business every year that these businesses churn out. So you are sitting literally on a treasure, on a gold mine of. There is a great chance in case I think like a landlord, I think like an investor, I would see an opportunity here to make immense money out of this situation. Okay, since this project, Deyaar has clearly stated that it will be a luxurious project from their end. I really trust this developer. If they say that they'll be making it, the quality of this project will be on an upper end. I'll trust them. I'll have faith in them. Okay, it's such a great developer. So the connectivity part is sorted. I have literally thousands of people living next to me. And since this is a ground floor, plus 5 podiums, plus 33 floors worth of building, I will have sea views as well because there are industries right in front, but they are all low rise. Okay, so the views above 15th and 20th floor are going to be amazing. So the price I'll be discussing with you, so you can assume that under a million, you're getting a one bedroom that is very close to that has so much scope to make money to you, and 2 and 3 bedrooms that have sea views as well, wherein the price and the payment plan is very supportive for an investor. Okay, so let me show you how the project is going to look like. So this is Eleve By Deyaar. This is located in downtown Jebel Ali. Okay, so this will be the upcoming downtown that is situated in Jebel Ali, right next to Sheikh Zayed Road. So this is how the building will look like. This is how the facade is going to look like. This looks very good. This building, it's a very tall building, and right next to it we have a mid-rise building by Azizi. That's not the best looking building around, but yeah, it is still on a strategic location. So there is, yes, there is an availability of schools, there is an availability of hospitals in this area as well. This area in the future, I've got some inputs from a very big boutique developer that they have purchased a land parcel somewhere around this area. So we are going to see a launches coming up in the later half of this year in this area, but the pricing will be different, of course. So this is how my building looks like. It will be aesthetically very beautiful, glass walls as well. This is how the interiors of the rooms are going to look like. Looks very good. Look at the interiors. This is such a brand that has been selling their properties without the need of a show apartment, because the kind of quality they're given is very good. Since we are going to the pricing and payment plan analysis, this is the reason where I would explain you all why this is an amazing investor option right on the market, and there is nothing that can compete with this option. Okay. So I'm giving an example. I'm taking a unit, okay, that is on the 19th floor of this building, that is facing towards the marina, that has a view of Sheikh Zayed Road and the pool as well. Pricing of a two-bedroom unit, 1195 square foot, almost 1200 square foot, pretty good size for the current market. Price around 1.6 million. The payment plan is in such a way, for booking I'll be paying 10% straight away. Okay, 4% will be the DLD and my admin fee as well. So I'll be paying this much amount, and by the end of the month I'm supposed to pay 8%. Okay, so within a month I'm paying what, 18% of the amount along with the DLD. After that, every 6 months I'm paying 8%. So all in all, after 18% I'm paying, in next 2.5 years I'm paying 40% of the amount. Okay, so when my handover comes, I am paying 12% of the amount. So all in all, we will end up paying 70% of the price when the handover comes. Since this comes with a post handover payment plan, I'll have the key in my hand. The apartment will belong to me. And after that, my 1% per month payment plan will start. Now, what this will facilitate is, since my property is in a very unique area with a lack of good properties, with thousands of people who are looking around for good apartments wherein they could rent and they could live with their families, with good 2 and 3 bedrooms with excellent sizes and layouts. This will be a gold mine for me. Why? Even if I am able to take, let's take an assumption that I'm able to extract 6 to 7%. Let's suppose we are taking a conservative figure of 6% net rental return. In 3 years, I'll be able to extract nothing less than 18 to 20% of my property value through the rentals only. Okay, so I'm paying 1% every month for next 30 months. So you could easily imagine that I'll be saving 18 to 20%, or rather, in other words, I would say that I'll be paying off this amount through the rental income only. So I'll not only end up getting an apartment that is priced around 1.6 million for a 2 bedroom that is facing towards marina in such a strategic location, I will also be enabled by the payment plan to pay off the installments or the payment plan through the rental income only. A building like Eleve By Deyaar is going to be an incredible investment option. So if I would be imagining, working around with this payment plan, I'll not only save a lot of money through my rental income, I might even sell off this property after 5 to 6 years, because the appreciation will happen in such a way that I'll end up making nothing less than 50 to 60% of returns from this particular apartment in the form of capital appreciation as well as my rental income. Okay, so in the end of the day, I can plan a very safe, very secure exit strategy as well. This is the sales of a 1 bedroom that is under 1 million. These units are behind the building. So in my opinion, if you have a budget of around 1.5 to 1.6 million, you should plan to invest into a 2 bedroom only, because they come with a very good view. Anything above 15th floor will have very good views for the future as well. Okay, after that, there is a 3 bedroom price around 2.3 million with the similar view of Sheikh Zayed Road and Marina. There are a couple of units with Palm Jebel Ali view as well. I will be using this payment plan in such a way, wherein I can rent out this apartment and get a net rental income of nothing less than 6.5 to 7%, because my price of entry is incredible for this existing market. Okay, so in the end of the day, I'll not only make money out of my rental income, I will pay off the rest of the amount through using my rental income as well. Not only that, there will be a humongous scope of me making good capital appreciation as well. A good 30 to 40, at least a 30% is what I predict with this property. See, I make predictions through my own studies. Okay, there are no sources for it because you'll have to carefully study the market. I've been into markets since years and I understand how a property can perform. Okay, so a property like this, a project like this is going to thrive because of the scarcity of the units available in this area. Any other developer who will launch a property, the price will not be on this level, rest assured. So now I have a 3 bedroom around price around 2.3 to 2.4 million. Find me such a property in Dubai that is facing towards a marina with thousands of people living next to it, such a strategic area. You'll never find anything like that. Okay, so this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, in my opinion. Now, as far as I discuss about competition analysis, this plain looking building is right next to me and it is no competition for me. Let's be honest, okay? No offense to Azizi, this building looks very old school uh, when I compare this upcoming building by Deyaar, and this will be one hell of a unit that will make you not only very good money, this will be a future proof property for you that will only grow in the future because a lot of things are going to get settled. My Al Maktoum airport is coming, my logistics city is going to better, my Dubai industrial city is only going to get better. Okay, so my marina, Palm Jebel Alis, there are so many things coming up in the market that will give my property an edge because it will get ready before time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I can see that more than 1,000 people have already watched my content. It feels amazing. It feels incredible that how many people actually want to invest into the Dubai real estate market. I've been getting inquiries as well. I'm very excited to see, to witness, to get new clients out of the viewers as well. You can plan as per the payment plan and I can definitely guide you with that as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's video and I will definitely see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.